Hello everybody, this might look like the most beautiful and amazing day ever, but it's freezing cold, I kid you not guys. But here, I'm gonna try to give you some seeds that you yourself in the garden right now, or actually at home, mostly at home, that you can start to get your garden ready for that beautiful spring in the month of January. We are almost at the end, but let's see if we can sow them seeds. Yeah, we're all trying to get that lovely garden in the spring, and why not start some seeds indoors? My first one that I'm going to try to do or attempt this year, and you may want to do that as well, but you got to do it inside a warm area in your home. Some people use grow lights, some people use like anywhere where if they're warm, if the house is quite warm, you can leave it somewhere where the most warmth is in your house and let it germinate and then get it ready. You might have to do some of these, you might have to up pot them, depending on how far along your frost dates are, because my frost dates normally is about the end of March, April, but the weather is crazy. As you guys can see, the sun is blinding me right now, but it's fine. My first one is those beautiful sweet peppers, capsicums, hot peppers, jalapenos, burn out your mouth, everything you got, and they definitely was one of those ones that I'm going to start this year. And the main reason is they do take a longer time to germinate, so why not allow myself to start them from now, so later on I can have a garden of beautiful, amazing peppers. So that is my number one right now, is getting these started, so I know when my garden is living up to its best imagination, or should I say my imagination, it's ready for the spring. I'm gonna get out there, and this year I'm trying to get out there like a train. You probably can hear that right now. Get out there and try to be winning in the garden, guys. And I'm not gonna make it so difficult. I'm gonna try to use the simplicity things and making my garden love me this year. And the next one is, because I love these things, I'm gonna try to get more kale. I want more kale. It's amazing, it's strong, but I'm gonna try to get that my purple kale. I've got some seeds, I don't know where they are right now. That's another thing, I need to get my seeds organized. I have some in there and I love that purple stuff. Gotta love the purple stuff, the extra beautiful vegetables. So, but I'm gonna plant my kale, start them off inside, but I'm gonna be tricky. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it in another video. But I got a little thing I'm gonna see. But I am gonna be insulating my cold frame because I do not have any capabilities to do it at home. So I'm gonna be doing it out here in the cold. But I'm gonna insulate my little small greenhouse that I have, which is known as a cold frame here in the UK, to get my garden up and running. The next one is those beautiful leafy greens that we all love. And if you don't love greens, it's some of us might not like lettuce, but this is a new variety. I did plant some and it survived the winter. I have two of them surviving. We've had the cold, we've had the winds, and they are still alive. So I'm gonna give it a better chance in the season of spring. Beautiful. It's a red color type of, Lola Rosa. It has red and it's just going to be beautiful for my garden. So I'm trying to make my garden as colorful. So that is another one that you guys can attempt. Lettuces, leafy greens, lamb lettuce, start sowing them inside. So when the garden is up and running, you have things ready to go in. Obviously, information, check things for yourself, what is available to sow indoors right now in your environment or wherever you are in the world before you start there. This is for the UK for me and what I am going to attempt. I can't tell you what to do in your garden, and so you shouldn't tell me what to do in mine. Everything to me is amazing. Nothing tried, nothing gained. So I'm going to be doing that this time round. I'm going to test the waters, as I say. But check your information first before you go out there. Knowledge is power, and nothing beats knowing it for yourself. And the next one, this is one I can guarantee that is amazing. It does handle the cold very well, and that is onions. Beautiful onions. I don't know what I will do without them. I need to get more onions. So this year, you hear that? I'm gonna be germinating some more. I do have some already germinated, and I want to get ahead of the game so I can have an earlier harvest, And moving on from the onion, the next one that I'm going to do, and that is more cauliflower. But this variety here, this is a all-rounder. That means it can literally grow around the year, even down to the colder times, and do very well in the garden. Next one that you want to do, and this is the final one that I am going to be considering, and that is broad beans. Broad beans are superb. You can start them right now in your molds, wherever you want to grow them, and they are so strong that you could have planted them in autumn, early autumn, so they can germinate, and then they will handle the winter, and then you have the spring. But I didn't do that this year because I didn't purchase any more broad bean seeds. But I do have some that I'm going to attempt. I do have some at home. I'm going to try to attempt to grow those. Yeah, broad beans, absolutely amazing, and they are superb in the garden. They do have a troublesome thing to attract aphids. Maybe I will do that this year. Maybe grow some under coverage to make sure the aphids stay away. But we'll see how it goes. But that is another one, and that's the final one from your boy Mr. Green Hands, that you can be out there right now in the garden and showing love to the early spring that we might have. So you never know. And there's a few other mentions that I could have put in here, but as I say, guys, I'm only going to give you 5 for now. Maybe next time I'll give you some more. So yeah, please don't forget to love yourself and love everybody else, and take care of yourself. And grow what you eat what you grow, and please don't forget to look after the planet. See you guys next time.